Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change screen zoom in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to display and then go to screen zoom. Now from here you can change your screen zoom. Here at the bottom you can see a screen zoom slider and you can zoom in or zoom out your screen from here. Here you can see 5 levels of screen zoom, and the level 5 is maximum level and level 1 is lowest level. If you want to zoom out your screen, just tap on this minus icon and then you can set any level as you want. Also, if you want to zoom in your screen, just tap on this plus icon and set the necessary level as you want. Now if you cannot find this option here, just go back and then scroll down. Then go to accessibility. From here go to vision enhancements and then scroll down again, and here at the bottom you can see screen zoom option, then tap here and here it is. You can also zoom in or zoom out your screen from here. And that is how you can change screen zoom in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.